3號強風信號喺中午12點40分發出，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺下晝1點，超強颱風摩羯集結喺香港之西南大約410公里，即係北緯19.6度、東經111.5度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，移向海南島至雷州半島一帶。摩羯繼續遠離香港，本港風力正係逐步減弱，但係離岸同高地仍然間中吹烈風，3號強風信號將會維持一段時間。而同摩羯相關嘅雨帶今日仍然會影響珠江口一帶，為本港帶嚟狂風驟雨，雨勢有時頗大，間中有猛烈陣風。當摩羯對本港嘅威脅進一步減低嘅時候，天文台會改發一號戒備信號或者強烈季候風信號。海有大浪同埋湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，昂坪、橫瀾島同長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時74、71同59公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時102、95同80公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, was issued at 12:40 in the afternoon. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 1 p.m., Super Typhoon Yagi was estimated to be about 410 km southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 19.6 degrees north, 111.5 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 km per hour towards the vicinity of Hainan Island to Lei-Zhou Peninsula. Yagi continues to depart from Hong Kong, and local winds are weakening gradually. However, there are still occasional gale winds offshore and on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force for some time. The rain bands associated with Yagi will still affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary today, bringing squally showers to Hong Kong. Showers will be heavy at times. There will be violent gusts occasionally. When the threat posed by Yagi is further reduced, the observatory will issue the standby signal, number 1, or the strong monsoon signal. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Waglan Island, and Choon Shou were 74, 71, and 59 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 102, 95, and 80 km per hour respectively.